Good morning, Dr. Smith's office. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Smith, please.
Is Dr. Smith your family doctor?
Yes, he is. I had a physical about 6 months ago.
Okay. Can I have your first and last name, please?
My first name is Charles, and my last name is Wilson.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Let me pull up your file. Okay, here we are. Now, please tell me the reason for making an appointment.
I'm not feeling well. My stomach hurts every time I eat.
Okay, how about this Friday at 10 in the morning?
Is there anything before that? I'm afraid I can't wait that long.
Okay, let me see if I have anything earlier than that. Oh, here we are. We have an opening tomorrow morning at 8. Would you like to come in then, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, please. Tomorrow morning at 8 would be great.
Okay, we'll see you at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow morning, Mr. Wilson. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Make an appointment. Schedule a time to meet someone at a certain time and place. A physical or a physical exam. A medical examination by a doctor to see if everything is okay with a person. Pull up a file. To find information about a patient. To have an opening. To have an available time for an appointment.